Home economics entails a lot of things. Its primary concern is the welfare of individuals and families. Before the missionaries arrived in Nigeria, there were no formal schools. At that time, young girls learned homemaking skills from their mothers, aunts or other older women in the family. Boys also learnt trades, crafts and farming from their fathers, uncles and older men in the family. In these ways, the young ones were taught by their parents. Learning was mainly through observation, imitation and practice. When the missionaries came, they built schools and taught people how to read and write. As the number of girls increased, a special center was created and the course was introduced as domestic science due to the fact that the subject is more versatile than cooking, sewing and housecraft. Home economics can be explained in different ways. It is a field that is concerned with improving family life. It does this by preparing people for family living, finding out the needs of individuals and families, finding ways of meeting these needs, improving the goods and services which the families use, example, food. Home economics is also defined as the process of carefully managing human and material resources for individual, family and community. Home